1.
The goal of this assignment is to have you create a simple lesson presentation or lesson plan using Google Slides, which you will then upload to the Nearpod app and augment or modify with 3 elements. To begin, make sure that you have gone to either drive.google.com or to your Apps button and selected your drive. Once you're in your drive, remember that whenever you make a new item or create something to put into your drive, begin with a folder. I don't have a folder to put this in, so I'm going to New, Folder. I'm going to call it Lesson Presentation. Once I have my folder, I open it. And once I'm inside my folder, I create my slides presentation. I go back to the New button, select Slides, but I hover over the little arrow because I want to build this from a template. When I'm working, I normally do not use a template. However, for our purposes, we're using a template because we want this to set up quickly. Yours may default to the Austin Community College template gallery, and there are only about 3 templates in there. We're not using them. So if your screen looks like this, make sure you go over to General. You may have to scroll down your page to find Education. I have Education on my page because I was just looking at it before I made my screencast. So I open the Education template. And the first thing that I want to do, it's already called Lesson Plan, is I want to make it mine and make sure that it's mine. So I'm going to make a copy. I go to File, Make a Copy. Make sure it's going into the correct folder here. And I'm going to take away the copy of text and use my arrow to go over and change it to presentation. I click OK. I've changed the title of my copy and I have a copy of the template that only belongs to me. So if you do not know how to make a slides presentation or a PowerPoint presentation, please email me and I will go over that with you. If you've used PowerPoint, many of the buttons and the tabs are similar. One that is different or may be different is the slide button, and I'm waiting for this to load so I can show you the slide button. If you need to add a slide or delete a slide, I'm going to show you this right now. We select slide, and here you can duplicate a slide or put a new slide where you want it to be. You can change the background and you can edit it. So remember, if you need to move slides around, you can drag and drop. You can do a number of things with them. So you don't have to stick to the template. You can make it your own and keep it simple. Look through the lessons in OER Commons to find an idea, or if you have a lesson that you're working on for another class, you're welcome to use it here. Please keep it simple. However, as you're creating your lesson, keep in mind that you will be creating an assessment when you're done to assess what was taught in this lesson. Finally, when you share it with me, when you upload your link, and you'll have to create a document in Blackboard to do that. You're going to the Share button, get a shareable link, go to More, say anyone with a link so that we can safely share this and look at it. Anyone with a link, and then save. So now you're going to copy the link, but you're going to change the link. This is the last step in the process. The way you change the link is you open another tab, you paste your link into it, and using your arrow, you go back to the word edit, and you take that out, and you write copy. This is the link that you'll be sharing. You'll select this link and do Control-C, copy the link, and that is the link that you'll be sharing for your assignment, because it will force whoever receives that link to make a copy. The next video will show you how you drop your presentation into the Nearpod app to augment it.